Today's topic is how to adjust laser device setting.
On our mirror single head machine, there is a laser device, mainly for noise users to master faster positioning. However, it is inevitable that the laser device will shift during transportation or the use of the machine daily. So how to adjust it to the correct position? See the operation next.
Step 1. Find the position of the laser on the left side of the arm. At the same time, place the laser device vertically downward. The position of the laser device was moved arbitrarily. Step 2. Find the 4 directions keys on the screen. The left and right keys are normally used, and adjust to move at a low speed.
If you are operating alone, the third step, keep pressing the arrow keys with your right hand and rotate the top with your left hand to adjust the size and shape of the projection point until the right projection is more rounded and stops.
Step 4. Press the left key with your right hand and turn the laser device until the red dot is aligned with the holes of the needle plate. Release 2 hands. The laser device positioning ends. Step 5. Check whether the pattern is out of the frame. If it is out of the frame, move the pattern within and start normal embroidery. Okay, that's all for today's sharing. Hope it can help you. If you like our videos, please click subscribe below. If you have any suggestions, please leave us a message. See you later!